In this video, I will show you how to win a Monopoly Go tournament. So let's jump straight into it. So what I'm going to do is just open up Monopoly Go on my device, and I'm just going to show you how to go ahead and win a tournament. So the current tournament that's running at the moment, you can see here it's over on the right hand side. So if we press onto this, it's called the Candy Corn Challenge. Now you can see at the moment I'm actually 47th, and you've got prizes depending on where you come at the end for the tournament. So as you can see, there's currently 7 hours and 51 minutes remaining of this tournament at the time of recording. And for this specific tournament, to win, all you need to do is enter the tournament with the most candy corns. So to find out how to actually get those candy corns, there's going to be a blue I button up here. So if you actually press onto this, and it's going to go ahead and show you how you can achieve these different candy corns. So this is through like a shutdown or bank heist. So you can see for a shutdown, if you do a shutdown but it's blocked, you get 2 candy corns. For a successful shutdown, you get 4 candy corns. And for the bank heist, you get 4, 6 or 8 candy corns, depending on whether you manage to achieve a small, large or a complete bankrupt bank heist. Now what you can do is increase your multiplayer. So you can see down here, this is based on just the basic multiplayer times 1, but if you was to increase this times 2, then what it's going to do is, for example, for a block shutdown, instead of 2 candy corns, if you've got your multiplayer set to times 2, you're going to get 4 candy corns for a blocked shutdown. It's going to be 8 candy corns for a successful shutdown, and so on and so forth. So all you want to do is basically follow the rules and achieve as many shutdowns and bank heists as you can. And you can do that by landing on the train station spaces. And once this tournament finishes, of course, if you've got the most candy corns, you're going to win the tournament. So that's how to go ahead and win a Monopoly Go tournament. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.